What if I told you that you're throwing away your garden's most powerful gift every time you clean up after a harvest? It's not just about the food we grow, it's about that connection to the earth. You're not just growing food, you're growing the future. Today I'm going to show you how to save seeds from 5 popular plants and why it matters more than ever. We'll delve into the quiet magic of seed saving, connecting us to generations of gardeners past. Stick around. You'll learn simple secrets to seed saving and tips passed down through generations. These tips come from years of getting your hands dirty, learning to listen to the rhythm of the seasons. If you find value in this, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button to keep growing with us. There's real joy in sharing this knowledge, in seeing those seeds sprout and knowing you've played a part in that small miracle. Let's start with a garden favorite, the humble tomato. Tomatoes are self-pollinating, so most of their seeds will grow true to their parent plant. But there's a trick to it. The seeds are coated in a gel that prevents them from sprouting too soon. We need to break down that gel to wake those seeds up. How do we do that? We ferment them. Simply scoop the seeds and their gel into a jar, add water and stir. Pop a lid on loosely and let it sit in a warm, quiet corner for 2 to 4 days. You'll know it's working when a layer of white mold forms on the top. Once you see that, rinse the seeds and spread them out on kitchen paper to dry. Pro tip: label that paper towel before you add the seeds. Tomato seeds look the same when dry, and there you have it. Tomato seeds ready for their winter sleep, ready to awaken in the spring sunshine. This isn't just saving a seed, it's preserving a flavor memory, a taste of summer to share with family and friends. Now let's move on to something less involved, sunflowers. Sunflowers bring joy to the garden, and saving their seeds is straightforward. You'll know when those seeds are ready for harvest when the back of the sunflower head turns brown and dry. Once the flower head is fully dry, rub your hand over the seeds and they'll come loose easily. Spread them out on a flat surface for a few days to air dry. When they're dry, store them in a paper envelope in a cool, dry place until you're ready to sow them next spring. Pro tip: choose seeds from your biggest, healthiest sunflower heads for a truly impressive display next year. Basil, bottling the scent of summer. Who doesn't love the aroma of fresh basil? Saving basil seeds allows us to carry that summer flavor through the year. Basil tells you when it's ready. Let it flower, then let those blooms fade and dry. Once the flower heads are dry and brittle, hold a bowl beneath them and give them a good shake. You'll see the tiny black seeds raining down into the bowl. There will be some chaff mixed in with the seeds. A gentle blow will send most of it flying away. Pro tip: keep a watchful eye on your basil plants, especially as autumn approaches. If you see a downpour threatening, collect a few seed heads just before the rain hits. Wet seeds can quickly succumb to mold. Basil seeds carry summer scent. Save them and you save summer. It's as simple and as profound as that. Pepper power from mild to wild. Let's add a little spice to our seed-saving repertoire. Peppers. From mild bell peppers to fiery habaneros, these plants offer a world of flavor. Save seeds from peppers that are fully ripe. Cut open the pepper and scoop out the seeds. Lay the seeds out on a piece of kitchen paper to dry. Pro tip: keep your hot pepper seeds away from your sweet pepper seeds to avoid cross-pollination. Label those seeds clearly and keep them separate. It's all part of the adventure of seed saving. Been there, done that, simple seed saving. Beans make it easy for us. Let a few pods mature and dry on the vine. When the pods turn brown and brittle, snip them off the vine and bring them indoors. Spread them out on a tray to dry further. Once the pods are completely dry, crack them open and collect the beans. Pro tip: after drying, pop the beans in the freezer for 48 hours to kill any hidden insect eggs or larvae. Each seed you save is a promise that you'll return to the soil, that life continues. It's a tiny, tangible piece of hope, passed down from one season to the next. The best part? It costs nothing but care. No fancy equipment, no expensive setups. Just you, your garden, and the quiet satisfaction of a job well done. Saving seeds isn't just for pros, it's for anyone who's ever planted hope in the dirt. It's about taking control of your food supply, connecting with nature's rhythms, and experiencing the joy of watching life emerge from something you've nurtured. Your garden doesn't end with the harvest. It begins again with every seed you save. You're not just growing food, you're growing resilience, freedom, and joy. So go ahead, pick one plant, save one seed, start small, but start. You might be surprised by how rewarding it feels. If this inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's keep growing together, one seed at a time.